Make a great choice today with the 2020 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, fog lamps, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, perimeter alarm, low tire pressure warning. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.